As I promised from the intro of this React Native course, that we are not only going to learn React Native, but we are also going to use industry standards for you to be more focused on tools that are used on a day-to-day job as a developer. Two of those tools are Prettier and Eslint, and we are going to set those up right now. Now you may be asking, Dennis, what is Eslint? Eslint is this tooling infrastructure to find and fix problems in your JavaScript code. And it can even fix these problems up automatically. And yes, you can also customize it to fit your coding style. How do we set it up? We go to installation and copy this code here and go back to our VS Code terminal. Of course, make sure you have navigated to your app directory and paste the code in the terminal. Now you can see something else over here called Prettier. Of course, I know you are pretty, but this is a different Prettier. This Prettier is an industry standard tool for formatting code and ensuring consistency in the code. So let's go ahead and then do the installation. So we hit enter to do our installation. Now as the installation goes on, we go to our folder structure, and in our folder structure we create a file and give it the name Eslint RC. Now we go back to the React Native website where we took our installation from and copy this from here. Now we will go back to our VS Code and then the file that we created and then paste it in there. So as our installation goes along, I'll see you in the next video to go through what's next after here. See you there.